This person earned 16% with us using these indicators. This person was up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in one day, and it just keeps going. Absolutely insane what our traders have been able to accomplish. After the FOMC meeting, Bitcoin, along with the rest of the market, is struggling. We are seeing moves down based on the 4-hour time frame, rejecting resistance at $43,569, if only temporarily. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know within the FOMC meeting today, and unfortunately, there is actually some bad news. Here's what you need to know. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you for joining us for our post-FOMC analysis. It's going to be a great video, lots of information packed in this. Before we get started, give me just a minute here. I want to let you know we have a brand new future forecast out. This is the January 31st, 2024 masterclass on how to trade futures on Coinbase with leverage and how to short the market. This is the first time we've ever posted a video like this. We've taken our time making sure we master the process so that you can have the best education in the matter possible. Get this video early with a membership at the links in the description down below. Join us for our trade setups here, where we're currently 131 wins, 0 losses with 6 active trades, showing a 100% win rate for our 11 months tracked so far. Once again, all that and more available with a membership at the links in the description down below. More on that later. For now, let's jump into the news. First up, and this is the bad news, stocks sink as Fed hints rate cuts are not coming soon. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell told reporters on Wednesday that the central bank probably won't be cutting interest rates in March. Based on the meeting today, I would tell you that I don't think it is likely the committee will reach a level of confidence by the time of the March meeting to identify March as the time to do that, but that is to be seen, said Powell. It is probably not the most likely case, or what we would call the base case. Traders came into 2024 largely expecting the Fed to begin cutting rates in March, but that optimism waned in January as central bank officials pushed back on that optimism, and fresh data indicated that the economy remains resilient. Now, here is what Jerome Powell explains the Fed is looking for before it cuts rates. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said he's confident that inflation is moving towards the central bank's 2% rate, but the Fed is still waiting for more signals that the time is right to cut rates. So what will it take? Put simply, we want to see more good data, Powell said Wednesday. It is not that we're looking for better data, but a continuation of the better data. 6 months of good inflation data, is it sending us a true signal that we are in fact on a sustainable path down to 2% inflation? The answer will come from some more data that is also good data. Unfortunately, that being said, if there were to be an unexpected weakening in the labor market, which in many senses is approaching at or near normal, that could influence the Fed to cut rates sooner. Now, this news that the Federal Reserve is likely not going to be cutting interest rates in March has been a significant reality check for traders. At this point, at the time of recording, the entire crypto market is now in the red, when earlier about half of it was actually green. And that's not even accounting for the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, or anything else in the stock market that is also currently in the negative. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we have some technical analysis here. Price versus while money flow was high. Trades in favor was high. We got a sell signal as we touched this resistance, and as expected, this caused a move down. At this point, though, on the 4-hour, we see whale money continuing to move out of the market, and as long as this continues, we could very easily see significant moves down. In fact, the last time we saw whale money very low on its chart, trades in favor was low, and actually, let me scroll out here so we can see it better. We got a buy signal. This resulted in major moves to the upside. This called the absolute bottom right around the $38,000 mark. Great call. And on the 1-day time frame, whale money has actually decreased significantly. Earlier, this line was nearly to the top resistance right about here, but it has dropped significantly. What this tells me as a trader is whale money is actually beginning to drop out of the market. Today's candle is now bearish when it was solidly bullish just before the meeting. We were right at this resistance, ready to break through it, but this appears to no longer be the case. I think this announcement that the Federal Reserve is no longer expecting those interest rate cuts in March took even the whales by surprise, and I think we could actually see whales begin moving money out of the market. This is not great, and personally, I would not be shocked to see over the next couple of weeks a move down to structure support here around $40,625. Now, if you've watched our previous videos recently, you'll know we've been expecting about $45,000. The Federal Reserve may very well have just invalidated that, so I want everyone to be careful moving forward. This is a highly sensitive market. I think big moves are coming. This is further proven by the fact we have a breakout zone reading on Bitcoin. We got to be really careful with our next steps. Personally, I'm not doing anything until I see a clear indication on the daily time frame of where we're at. If the price moves down in order to catch the bottom, what I want to see is price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and ideally a buy signal at either of these structure supports as we saw here before making any moves. At that point, we could see small moves up. But unfortunately, on the 1 week time frame, we're actually expecting even bigger moves down. And that's because the way we predict the top, price versus while money flow needs to be high, trades in favor needs to be high, and we need to see sell or strong sell signals. And once you get that, most often it will result in significant moves down. Exactly what we got. So as whale money continues moving out of the market, this could result in pretty significant moves to the downside. We were expecting a bottom and a crazy move down to happen sometime late February, early March, and I think this could be confirmed at this point if the Federal Reserve does not hike interest rates in March. Now keep in mind, they absolutely still could. They could change their mind. There's still a couple of months worth of time, but unfortunately the economy rarely moves that fast, so we need to be really careful. Anyone trading Bitcoin needs to be watching out. They need to be using indicators to guide their trades. They need to be relying on technical analysis and especially risk management to help manage their trades. That's really the only way to profit in this market. The best way to profit is just simply to not lose money. So that's what we're looking at. Possible moves down actually earlier than expected to $31,862. I think it's very possible the move up to $45,000 is invalidated, still possible, but overall, what I would need every trader to be looking for is what whale money is doing. If we see whale money increase, expect a move to $45,000. If whale money decreases, expect a move down to at least $40,600, if not farther, with a possibility as far down as $38,000 coming in the next couple of weeks. Absolutely crazy what's happened in this market today. Crazy big news, unexpected announcements in the market that even took whales by surprise. Now, as we navigate through this highly volatile environment, you're going to want to snag these indicators. These indicators, along with our risk management strategy, have helped us earn 131 wins, 0 losses on our membership trades for the 11 months we've been tracking. If you want these indicators, let me show you exactly how to snag them for up to $550 off. Check this out. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out here, but you're going to want to snag a membership first. This is because memberships include massive indicator discount coupon codes. You do not want to miss out on these discounts. Keep in mind, membership price increases are coming soon, so snag it quickly. Membership is also going to include those future forecast videos I showed you, as well as access to all trade setups on our website. Of course, many more money-making benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. From there, you're going to go to the indicator page. Click there. It'll bring you to the Pro Indicator Pack. As we scroll down here, you're going to see this person earned 16% with us using these indicators. This person was up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in one day, and it just keeps going. Absolutely insane what our traders have been able to accomplish. Now, with your membership, you get a member discount of $150 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link. Click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video. Do not miss out.